you ever seen someone and thought, damn, they've got all together just cause they looked good? There is a psychological phenomenon called the halo effect. Basically, if someone looks good in one way, your brain gives them a full 5-star review. In 1920, Edward Thorndike studied army officers. He found that when soldiers looked sharp, they were rated better in every other category. Nisbet and Wilson ran a classic experiment in 1977. Same lecture, same content, but the guy with the chill vibe and skill look, 5 stars. First impression affects you too. When people treat you like you got it together, you start acting like it. Confidence, opportunities, more confidence. This isn't about faking it. It's about understanding how people think. Next time you wanna keep fixing your hair, just remember, you're not just fixing your look, you're shaping your story. Control the halo, shape the story.